Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox on your mobile device and joining the game where slots are managed. Once in, make sure you can access inventory and any UI toggles the developer provided. You should already have 9 equipable items prepared in storage or backpack. If not, spawn or acquire them now. Once done, tap into the equipment screen and hold one item to enter edit mode. This initiates slot reassignment and prepares the system to accept additional bindings. Now you expand beyond the default by dragging items into extra placeholders or using long press to reveal hidden slot options. If the UI limits you to 6, open the custom slot panel or developer script menu. Many games expose additional slots there. You must bind items 7 through 9 to hotkeys or custom touch buttons. Tap the bind control, select the item, and confirm. Make sure to test each binding by quickly switching between slots. So you verify responsiveness, finish by saving or confirming your new slot layout so it persists when you leave. Once saved, test in gameplay. Equip items 7, 9 and use them in action to ensure they function. If slots vanish after relog, rejoin the server and check that saved settings reapply. Some games only commit changes on load. If a slot still fails, clear the app cache or toggle touch control modes, then rebind that item. This typically resolves UI sync or touch mapping glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.